Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the today's Leetcode problem, that is the rearrange element by sign. So what the problem states is about, let's take one example and let's try to understand the problem deeply. So like the array like this is given to us. The array like this is given to us over here. And what we have to do is we have to separate such elements, like alternatively positive and negative number we have to give. So what we will do is, let me remove this one. Okay, so what we will be doing is we have to separate positive and negative integer. So positive integers are 3, 1, 2, and the negative integers are -2, -5 and -4. So here you can see that every time there will be half positive and half negative integers, and we have to merge them by preserving the order. We have to merge the elements. So what we are going to do is, the final answer of the problem will be 3, then -2, then we will be picking this one. So one positive, then one negative, that -1, then again one positive, that is 2, and one negative, that is -4. So one brute force way to solve this is using extra memory. So that is, we will be storing in the positive and negative arrays. So what we will be doing is, we will take each number. If the number is greater than or equals to 0, means greater than 0, if it is positive number, then we will push into the positive, otherwise we will be pushing them into the negative. So after separating them into the positive and negative, what we have to do is, we have to take one positive number, we have to take one negative number, then again one positive, again one negative, again one positive, again one negative. So similarly, we have to merge the positive and negative array, and then we have to return the answer. So that is written over here. Return the modified array after rearranging the element that satisfies the conditions. Okay, so we will be, after merging, we are merging positive and negative numbers alternatively. Okay, so let's merge them. So we will create another array called answer, or we can say merged. Then for each element, so one positive, one negative. So let's, for all positive numbers and all negative numbers, what we will be doing is, for each index we add one positive number in merged array, one negative number in merged array, and at the end we will be return the answer, that is return merged. Okay, push is not the function over here. Yes, the function is push back. Okay, sample test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. Okay, it gives the answer. But was this the optimal solution? Can you think about that what is this an optimal solution? No, this is not an optimal solution, because the optimal solution does not require any extra space rather than the final answer. So this was the brute force. Let's try to go to the optimum solution. Okay, so let's copy our input here. Okay, now let's take the number. Now we will be maintaining two counters, positive and negative. So positive gives number of positive variables, positive numbers that we have added into our answer, that is final answer. Final answer is, let's say the final answer is this merged array. So what we will do is, step in each iteration we will be taking one element from the array. So let's take currently the first number is 3. So what we will be doing is, the number is 3. So what we will do is 3 is greater than 0? Yes. So it is positive number. Okay. So 3 is positive number. So what we will do is, we increment the positive, but before that we have to add this 3 into the merged array. So we will add this 3 into the merged array. Now merged array will become like this, and positive will be now incremented. So positive will be 1. Now positive counter will be 1. Now next time we have to take the next number, that is 1. So how we will be structuring the merged array, that is, at first place for positive number will be coming, then negative number, then positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. So in this way we will be structuring. So you can look at each positive number will be at indices, like each positive number will be at positions 0, 2, 4, ... So even positions, and each negative number will be at positions 1, 3, 5, 7, ... You can look at, this is 1th index from 0 indexing, this is 3, this is 5, again 7, etc. So how we can separate out that we will maintain two counters, like positive and negative. So what we will be doing is, whenever positive number comes, we will add the positive element over here. Let's say 3 is coming, so 3 will be added over here. Next time 1 is coming, so 1 will be added on next even index. So what will be the formula for the the positive numbers indexing? That will be 2 into number of positive integers added in the past. That will be the index for positive number. How? We can see that we have earlier there was no positive number, so 2 into 0, that is 0. Now we have added one positive number. Now 2 into 1, that is 2. Then 2 into 3, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. So in that way, and each negative number, what will be the formula for the negative number index? 2 into number of negative integers added so far plus 1. So this is then this, then this. So whenever, let's iterate once, let's take one small array like 1, 5, -2, -4. Now our merged array is currently like this: 1 positive, 1 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative. So currently positive is 0 and negative is 0. So now first number is coming, that is 1. 1 is positive. So what we will do is, we will first of all we will find the place where to insert this num. So index equals to 2 into positive. What is that is 2 into number of positive integers added so far. So currently there is no positive integers in this merged array. So 2 into positive will be 2. Sorry, 2 into positive. The positive is currently 0. So index is 0. So at 0th index we will be adding this 1. Okay. So this now 1 is added now. Okay. Now the next thing is, how many positive numbers we have added? That is 1. So positive will be incremented. So positive will be 1 now. So now in second step, this was the first step. In second step, we will be adding 5. So the next one is 5. So number currently is 5. So what is 5? 5 is greater than 0. 5 is greater than 0. So we again, this is a positive number, so we have to find the index where we will be inserting this positive number. The index formula is 2 into number of positive integers added so far. So 2 into how many positive integers we have added, that is 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2. So the next index where we have to insert this 5 is 2. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Here we will be inserting 5. Okay, now how many positive numbers we have added? So that is now 1 and 5. So that is, it will become 2 now. We have to increment the number of positive integers added so far. Now again, next number is -2. Okay, next number is -2. So what is -2? -2 is less than 0. Number is -2. -2 is less than 0. So what we have to do is, this is negative number. We have to find the index. Index for negative number formula is 2 into negative numbers added so far plus 1. Now currently we have no negative number added, so negative is 0 currently. So the index will be 2 into negative plus 1. So 2 into number of negative integers added so far, that is 0 plus 1. So this will be 2. So sorry, this will be 1. Okay, so our index is 1. So at one index like this, we have to add -2 over here. Now then, how many negative integers we have added so far? That is negative plus plus, we have added -2. So number of negative integers added, now it is 1. Now the last number is -4. So how many negatives? The -4 is negative number. So the -4 is negative number. So we have to find the index, that is 2 into number of negative integers added so far plus 1, that is 2 into, now how many negative integers we have added? That was only 1. We have added -2. So we have added one negative number into the final array plus 1. So the final index is 3. So index is 3, and now negative will be plus plus because we have added one negative integer. So -4 will be added at index 3. So in this way we will be coding our solution. Okay, so let's try to code this logic. Okay, so we will maintain two variables, that is, one is number of positive integers added so far, negative integers added so far, and then one other thing is we will be creating one final array that is called as answer. Okay, and initially we will initialize them with -1, or we can say 0. Initially all of the variables, all of the integers will be 0. So what is n? N is number of nums dot size, and for each number, what we will be doing, for each number we will find the index for it to insert. Now if the number is positive, what will be the formula for index? The positive formula for positive number was 2 into number of positive numbers added so far. So 2 into positive integers added so far, and if we are adding positive integers, now positive counter will be incrementing. Otherwise, what will be the index? 2 into negative number added so far plus 1. You can see the formula over here. 2 into negative numbers added so far plus 1. So negative plus plus, and at the end, okay, now we have found out the index, we have incremented the counter, so we have to set at that index, we have to add this value. So answer of index will be our current value, and we will return this answer. Okay, sample test cases are getting passed, and now we are running for final test cases, and it is passed. So for motivating me to prepare some more content like this, you can subscribe to the channel and you can like this video. Thank you.